What is up mga ka-gym bros? Today is mag-hit tayo ng upper body push day. First up is shoulder presses. Started up with some heavy weight, and then I always superset it with some any type of bicep exercises. This time I decided to do some seated bicep curls to really hit the bicep, and then next exercise is some incline curls to hit the upper pec, upper chest, para buo tignan yung ating chest 3D tignan. Then superset rin with some hammer curls to target the brachialis para 3D tignan yung ating bicep whenever we flex. And then next exercise is for the shoulder, the width. Here we did some lateral raises hanggang failure. Lightweight lang tayo dito guys para ramdam talaga natin yung pump. And then superset with some front raises. Yan, lightweight lang rin. Then here's the damage natin guys. Of course, di mawawala ang pump check sa mirror. Let's go. Favorite pose. Yan, bagang. Yun lang. See you.